Hi, I'm Giles Rafferty, Head of Corporate Communications at First Advisors, and I'll be moderating the panel discussion around integrating purpose into IR and ESG at the AIRA conference. Now, for almost half a century, Western capitalism has been framed by the Friedman doctrine that states that a company's sole responsibility is to increase profits for its shareholders. Now, today that's evolved to have an increasing focus on long-term sustainable growth and profitability alongside improvements to society. I'll be joined on the panel by an impressive group of people from organizations that are leading the way when it comes to the corporate purpose space. I'll be talking to Mary Delahunty, Head of Impact at HESTA, Anthony Strong, General Manager of Group Strategy at ANZ, and Amy Hogan, Head of Sustainability at Stockland. We'll be looking at how corporate purpose informs corporate culture, but also how it guides decision-making and behaviors that will de-risk the business. We'll be looking at how corporate purpose matters from an asset manager and asset owner's point of view, the board's responsibility to link purpose to strategic goals, and how purpose informs ESG reporting. There's growing evidence that points to the benefits that come from being a purpose-led organization, but just as importantly is how a business measures and reports on those benefits and how they make the company a more compelling investment opportunity.